This is a secret Wall Street guide on how to make money on every stock trade or crypto.
Get rich quick scheme?
Yes. No. Anyway, it's as old as the New York Stock Exchange.
The exchange has been around since 1792.
The essence of the method has remained unchanged, but the execution is adapting to modernization. Step 1. Choose a broker who will do the work for you. If that broker is someone who has many clients, one will be enough, but maybe you can choose a few more to make the method even more successful. Step 2. The second step is the most difficult, but it must be done. You need to find some stock that will surely bring you money. You will instruct the selected broker to buy the stock on your behalf. To ensure that everything goes smoothly later, you can ask the broker for a favor to buy that stock for you in secret. You tell him, I would not like others to buy before me and thus increase the price. The broker won't care what you ask for, but that's the point. Your goal here is that he gets the impression that
We got the inside track.
that you have some information that is not available to others. After you made money on this stock, after the broker made money, after his friends, relatives, and his clients made money, you are ready for step number 3. Choose a few other brokers unrelated to the broker from step 1. These brokers will serve you to sell your stocks through them. Step 4. Buy some stocks. Any, preferring those that do not have a large trading volume. Step 5. Instruct brokers from step 3 to sell all the stocks you bought in step 4 at a certain price. Step 6. Instruct the broker from step number 1 to buy some of the same stocks that you already bought in the step number 4 on your behalf. Step 7. Clients, family, and friends of the broker from step 1 will create demand and raise the price. Brokers from step 3 will sell your stocks to them. Finally, instruct the broker from step 1 to sell your stocks that he bought for you in step 6. When you make a profit, repeat everything from step 4 again. My name is V. Subscribe.